morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, Know Your Word. Now let us start question answer session. Name the following. First question, which is the biggest ocean? Answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world ocean basins, covering approximately 63 million square miles and containing more than half of the free water on Earth. The Pacific is by far the largest of the world's ocean basins. All of the world's continents could fit into the Pacific basin. Next question. Which is the lowest body of water? Answer is Dead Sea. The Dead Sea has the lowest elevation and is the lowest body of water on the surface of Earth. For several decades in the mid-20th century, the standard value given for the surface level of the lake was some 1,300 feet below sea level. The Dead Sea, also called the Salt Sea. It is a salt lake bordering Jordan to the east and Israel to the west. Its surface and shores are 427 meters below sea level. The Dead Sea is 306 meters deep, the deepest hypersaline lake in the world, with 34.2% salinity. This salinity makes for a harsh environment in which animals cannot flourish, hence its name Dead Sea. Next question. Which is the highest plateau? Answer is Tibet. It is a vast elevated plateau in Central Asia and East Asia, covering most of the Tibet Autonomous Region, northwestern Yunnan, eastern half of Sichuan, southern Gansu, and Qinghai provinces in western China, Indian regions of Ladakh and Lahore and Spiti, as well as Bhutan. It stretches approximately 1,000 km north to south and 2,005 km east to west. It is the world's highest and largest plateau, with an area of 25 lakh square kilometers. Next question. Which is deepest lake? Answer is Lake Baikal. It is a reef lake located in southern Siberia, Russia, between Irkutsk Oblast to the northwest and Buryat Republic to the southeast. Lake Baikal is the largest freshwater lake by volume in the world, containing 20 to 23% of the world's fresh surface water. Baikal is the world's deepest lake. It is considered among the world's clearest lakes and is considered the world's oldest lake at 25 to 30 million years. It is the 7th largest lake in the world by surface area. Next question. Which is deepest cave? Answer is Gufre Burger. The Gufre Burger is a French cave discovered on 24th May 1953 by Joseph Burger, Bouvet, Ruiz de Arcute and Marc Joffre from 1953 to 1963. It was regarded as the deepest cave in the world at 1,122 meters, relinquishing this title to the previous contender Pierre Saint Martin in 1964 after further exploration. The Gufri Burger is now ranked 20th deepest cave in the world and the 4th in France. Next question, which is the smallest country? Answer is Vatican City. The geography of Vatican City is unique due to the country's position as an urban landlocked enclave of Rome, Italy. With an area of 0.49 km square, it is the world's smallest independent state. Next question. Which is longest river? Answer is Mississippi. The Mississippi River is the second longest river on Northern American continent from its traditional source of Lake Itasca in northern Minnesota. It flows generally south for 3,730 km to the Mississippi River Delta in the Gulf of Mexico. The mainstream is entirely within the United States. The total drainage basin is 29,80,000 km square, of which only about 1% is in Canada. The Mississippi ranks as the 4th longest river and 15th largest river by discharge in the world. Next question. Which is deepest ocean? Answer is Pacific Ocean. In the Pacific Ocean, somewhere between Guam and Philippines, lies the Mariana Trench. The deepest point in the ocean is the Mariana Trench. Its maximum depth has been estimated to be 10,971 meters. Next question. Which is biggest dam? Answer is Loyle Dam. Jackson Lake is one of the oldest reservoirs in Georgia, United States. 44 miles southeast of Atlanta in a rural area situated within parts of 3 counties, Jasper, Newton and Woods. The Loyle Shoals Dam was built in 1910 by Central Georgia Power Company and electricity was originally generated for the city of Macon. Next question. Which is largest delta? Answer is Sundarban. The Ganges Delta is a river delta in the Bengal region of South Asia, consisting of Bangladesh and the Indian state of West Bengal. It is the world's largest river delta and it empties into the Bay of Bengal with the combined waters of several river systems, mainly those of the Brahmaputra River and the Ganges River. It is also one of the most fertile regions in the world, thus earning the nickname the Green Delta. The delta stretches from the Hooghly River east as far as the Meghna River. Next question. Now let us see fun fact. New Zealand is considered as the world's cleanest and greenest country. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.